Good morning, children. Today we are having our art and craft class, and in this session, I am going to show you a black magic activity. Sounds very nice, isn't it? Some magic is there, magic trick is there, and I'll tell you what it is. But first, we will start this art and craft activity, and I want you to have one small piece of thermocol with you. It's available in your some of the stationery and all other bangle stores everywhere, and you might be having in your house also. If you're having, don't spend your money, don't waste your money, do it in that itself with the guidance of your parents. Now watch the video. You want one piece of thermocol and some amount of millets or ragi or jeera or any dal. You can take anything because it is the fine motor skill activity what we are doing today. So again I repeat, a piece of thermocol, ragi or millet or any other dal, anything whatever which is in a small in size. We want like that thing. Any dal, tur dal, anything can be done. Okay children. Now I'll place this thermocol in one tray. That too we can buy a paper tray which is there. Okay. If you buy anything, you will get one paper tray. You can use that itself. Don't go and buy anything. Or else you can use any steel tray or glass tray, anything what you have in your house. Plastic trays, your mama will give you if you ask. So place that in this tray. Place the thermocol in this tray. Now I show you what's the magic is going on. See, I'll pour this. I have taken ragi. Now I'll pour this to this tray slowly on this thermocol sheet. On this thermocol sheet or thermocol, piece of thermocol, what you have taken, to that slowly I will pour. I'll pour whole like 100 grams is more than enough I think. We'll pour and then I think you can see here. I'll show you. You can see. Yes. Now what happens is when we slowly spread this, we will slowly spread this on this thermocol sheet. See here. Don't spread in a hurry. Be calm and you should slowly spread this. This is called your fine motor activity. You are using your palm and fingers, isn't it? And you love to do these things. I know all the children will love to touch all the items, grocery items. Now, and please do not spill it. Mama will scold you like anything and she will be having more work. Do remember it. Just like this you spread. And now what happens? Clear this from the surface of the thermocol slowly. Clear this slowly and put this side. Clear this slowly. This is called the black magic. See what color is here? Black color ragi. So I am pouring all the ragi to this end of the tray what I have taken. Slowly, slowly, it should be very slow and do not put more pressure on it. Okay children, then there is a magic for you. See here, there is a magic. I want you all to see this clearly. what I have got after clearing it. See here, all ragi have come to one side. And what is this you have got? What you have got? Yes, what is this? Little Ganesha. What is this, children? What is this? Ganesha, isn't it? Yes, little Ganesha is here. How come you got this? How come you got this? Can you see this Ganesha? So nice it has come out. How come you have got this? I'll tell you how you have got this. This is called the magic trick, black magic trick, and I'll show you how it comes when I pour this ragi to this thermocol sheet. See here, in this thermocol sheet, first with the help of your parents, you should take help of your parents and draw like this one Ganesha. Draw like this one Ganesha and using toothpick or a agarbatti. What is this? Simple agarbatti. If you light this and if you take near the Ganesha drawing and do like this, you will get a carving, nice carving on the thermocol sheet. Nice carving you will get on the thermocol sheet. Only the outline you should carve. Only the outline you should carve. Okay. Another trick is there. You can use one toothpick. And then just in the toothpick you can carve this one. Only the outline. Then if you carve that outline and then keep it on this tray, I'll show you. See here, the carved Ganesha will be like this. See here. After carving, the Ganesha will be looking like this. And this cannot be visible before you pour ragi on it. And then if you keep this on the tray and pour all the ragi on it, slowly you will get the black Ganesha. What you will get? Black Ganesha. So this is your fine motor skill activity and I know you all will love this activity. Try this at home, but first you should listen to your parents and they will help you to carve this Ganesha and do not quarrel with them so that you will do like that. Okay? Let them help you. After that, you can do this Ganesha fine motor skill activity. Do not spill in your house. Okay, children? Was it nice? Was this Ganesha nice? Yes. See here? How nice it has come out. Isn't it? Did you like this activity? Yes. You can do it and you can enjoy your Ganesha festival. Okay, children? Will you do it? Thank you. Have a nice day and happy Ganesha Chaturthi to all of you. Okay? Bye. See you.